Welcome to Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning. I'm Brent Garrett, president of Sirius. We're a full-service residential plumbing and air conditioning company, and we've been in business since 1995. At Sirius, you'll get a highly trained and qualified technician who's experienced in helping you with your plumbing and air conditioning problems. While in your home, our technicians are committed to keeping your home safe and clean while delivering to you the top quality and professional service you deserve. Our promise to you is to be honest, committed, and caring when it comes to you, your family, and your home. To schedule your service, call 972-235-6600, or you can visit us online at SiriusPAC.com. At Sirius, our goal is to make lives better for our customers and team members every day. You can trust your home to Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning for work that's done right, guaranteed.